Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a pizza song. First, think about all the delicious elements of pizza, from the dough to the toppings. Next, select a tune that feels fun and upbeat, something that will stick in people's heads. Finally, outline your song sections, perhaps with a repeating chorus about the joy of pizza. Now let's get those lyrics cooking. Describe the gooey cheese, the tangy sauce, and the crispy crust. Find rhymes that flow naturally, making your song a delight to sing. Don't forget to include the steps of making pizza, like kneading the dough or adding your favorite toppings. Make every word count. For the melody, simplicity is key. A tune that's easy to hum along to will make your pizza song a hit. Think about a lively tempo that reflects the excitement of preparing a meal. You might try a cheerful pop style or even a playful folk tune. The goal is to create a memorable and enjoyable sound. Once your pizza song is complete, it's time to perform. Sing with energy and make sure every word is understood. Consider adding fun, easy-to-follow hand movements that mimic making pizza. Share your culinary anthem with others. Their reactions can inspire future songwriting. Enjoy your delicious musical creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.